Ever wondered what happens inside your chest every time your heart beats? Let's follow the epic journey of a single heartbeat. With every contraction, oxygen-rich blood is pumped into the aorta. Blood races through arteries, branching into smaller vessels to reach every organ. In the capillaries, oxygen leaves the blood and enters your cells, while carbon dioxide returns. Deoxygenated blood flows back through veins to the heart, then to the lungs to refresh the cycle.
From the first beat to the last, your heart never stops beating.
Subscribe now and keep exploring the wonders of science with us.